Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss question number 3, 4 and 5 of exercise 6.5. Now see, ABD is a right angle triangle is given, right angle at A. Clear? AC perpendicular to BD is given. We need to prove three different things. Okay? The first of all, AB square equal to BC, AB, BC and BD. These are the three lines considered. So first of all, we should decide what are the triangles involved in this particular part. AB means this particular line segment, BC is this and BD is the longer one. That means this particular triangle BAC and the bigger triangle is involved in this particular solution. In triangle ABD, and that's a bigger one, ABD, and triangle BAC, we will see this is 90 degree. We will see how the triangle combines it move on. Angle BAD equal to angle BCA is 90 degree. Now if you see in both the triangle, this angle B is common. Angle ABD equal to angle ABC, common. Therefore triangle ABD similar to triangle BAC, similar. Since this triangle are similar, then the sides are in proportion, but we will make sure that the sides involve AB, BC and BD. Therefore, we have AB by BC, AB from the first triangle and BC from the other one, equal to, again we require, because here AB square required, I am putting it AB. This is from the second one, that is BD. BD, that's the hypotenuse part, and the hypotenuse for the larger triangle and hypotenuse for the smaller triangle. Implies AB square equal to BC into BD. Okay? First we need to decide what the triangles we are talking about. Then at the final part, the sides proportion, we should make sure that it's aligned with the required proof. This is Roman number 1. Roman number 2 is exactly similar to question number 2 proof. Okay? Please go through it. Any doubt, let me know. Next we will see Roman number 3. Roman number 3 we need to prove it now. AD square equal to BD into CD. AD square equal to BD and CD. Not CD, this is AD square equal to BC, CD into DB. It should be DB. Okay, please make the corrections. AD square equal to BD into CD. Yes, BD into CD. We will see. Now what are the sides involved? AD square equal to BD into CD. Okay, make the corrections. BD, larger one we got it, and CD is the smaller one. That means now this triangle and the larger triangle. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have BAD equal to ACD 90 degrees. We have one common angle B is the common one. BDA equal to angle ABC, common. Therefore, both the triangles are similar. Triangle ABD similar to triangle ACD. Since both the triangles are similar, the sides should be in proportion. but make sure that the side is aligned with AB and BD. It is BC by AB equal to AB by DB. BC into DB AB square. This is what the required proof. So please, go through it properly. Any doubt, please let me know. Next, we will move to question number 4. This is a very easy questions that we have. ABC is isosceles triangle, right angle at C. Right angle triangle, but it is an isosceles triangle. Right angle at C. ABC. This is right angle triangle. This side should be equal to this side because right angle triangle. So isosceles triangle. Solution. Okay, now we will see. Since we need to prove AB square equal to. We know triangle ABC. AB square equal to AC square plus BC square by Pythagoras. This already we know. Now we require AC square here and put in AC square instead of BC. I am putting AC square because BC equal to AC given. Okay, I am not writing the step. Just concept you see clearly. Twice A square. Therefore, AB square equal to twice AC square. Very simple concept. This is by Pythagoras theorem. This is by the isosceles concept that we have, and this is the proof. Next, you see, ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC. And drawing one triangle. ABC. What are things are given? AC equal to BC. Okay. Now one more thing is given. Solution given. AC equal to BC. AB square equal to twice AC square. Okay. Twice AC square, I can write it AC square plus AC square. Instead of AC, I am putting BC. AC equal to BC given. Now if you observe the final output, this is AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. This is the Pythagoras triplet that we have for the Pythagoras theorem, we got it. If in the triangle hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square, then this is a right angle triangle. It satisfies Pythagoras. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right triangle. Okay? I hope you have understood till question number 5. Please complete this. Any doubt, let me know. Thank you. Have a nice day.